real treasure that we can give to our family is our health. Sa EXL, natural ang saya, natural ang galing, stay healthy and happy Pilipinas. Maraming salamat.
Makabuhay Health Hour. Kini ang sibianan sa RPN, Radio Philippines Network, DXKS, DXKS, 1080, ang inyong Radio Ronda, 5,000 watts, Valsibia, ikatulong andana sa UFCO, Limburg, Borromeo Street, Dakbayan sa Surigao, RPN, Radio Philippines Network, DXKS, 1080, ang inyong Radio Ronda. Doktor Alternativo, programang tumatalakay sa alternative medicine batay sa Republic Act 8423 o Traditional Alternative Act of 1997. Tumatalakay din sa imbensyon Pinoy at alternatibong agrikultura. Doktor Alternativo, the expert in alternative medicine, kasama ang award-winning inventor, Doc Ed Dilivo, ang Doctor of Ministry and Alternative Medicine at DOST Scholar. His formula was awarded and recognized by the Department of Science and Technology, Technology Application and Promotion Institute. Nanalo